In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a gas cap on your Nissan Altima. Pop the fuel door. Using either a little pick tool or a small set of pliers, push the two plastic clips together and remove the gas cap strap out of the fuel door. Remove the gas cap, install the new one, twist it till you hear a click, reinsert the retaining clip, and close your fuel door. And that's a wrap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.